You want to do weekly attendance report of staff, whether you are in HR or not, to identify the time each staff come into work. Here's how to go about it, in a very easy and simple way, such that you are able to identify those that came late. We're going to select our data range, then using the shortcut method, I'll press Alt-HL-N. We will select this to use the formula to determine. Then select the timing, press Enter. I'll press F4 twice to lock that. Then if it is greater than time, our normal time of work resumption, in bracket, open bracket 8 o'clock. We are using 8,0,0 because we have the cell formatted in time format. Then press our format. We're going to pick red for this, like this, okay? Press OK. So we can see that for Monday, 2 people came late. And for Tuesday, only 1 person came late. For Wednesday, only 1 person came late. For Thursday, only 1 person came late. For Friday, only 1 person came late. So we've learned this before. I'll just press Ctrl- to remove this blank data. We can see that it's easy to do now. That's it.